Welcome to AB Luxury, your destination for the finest car reviews. Today, we take a nostalgic trip down memory lane with the reimagined icon of Indian roads, the 2025 Premier Padmini. This classic has been resurrected with a modern twist, combining retro charm with contemporary features to appeal to car enthusiasts and heritage lovers alike. The 2025 Premier Padmini retains its iconic boxy design that pays homage to the original. From the round headlamps to the chrome-accented grille, every detail evokes a sense of nostalgia while embracing a fresh, sleek aesthetic. The updated model comes with alloy wheels and LED lighting elements, blending old-school charisma with modern flair. Under the hood, the new Premier Padmini features a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine, delivering 90 horsepower and 115 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional automatic, offering a smooth and efficient driving experience. For eco-conscious buyers, there's also an all-electric version that provides a range of up to 180 kilometers on a single charge. Inside, the Padmini impresses with its retro-themed cabin, enhanced by modern tech. The dashboard features a vintage-inspired design complemented by a digital instrument cluster and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Plush leatherette seats, a two-tone interior, and ample legroom make every ride comfortable and stylish. The 2025 Premier Padmini doesn't compromise on safety. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera. The electric variant includes additional features like regenerative braking and advanced connected car technology for remote control of certain functions. Pricing for the petrol-powered model starts at 7.5 lakh rupees, while the electric version is available at 9.95 lakh rupees. This makes the Premier Padmini not only a stylish and nostalgic choice but also an affordable one for those who cherish tradition with a modern touch. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Premier Padmini. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AB Luxury for more exciting car content. See you next time.